with the STEM education program at DRI. We create research-informed green boxes that contain hands-on activities that will spark your child's curiosity. Today, we're going to do another activity from the It's Electric Green Box. This is the third video in this series related to this box. It is recommended, but not required, that you start from the beginning of these activities as they will build off of each other. You will see that your child will make more connections if you introduce them to information through a variety of activities over time. Please watch the video alone and then complete the activity with your child. Today's lesson is all about introducing circuits and different components that make a circuit complete. The materials for this activity are foam letters or stickers, pipe cleaners, markers, and the circuit component cards, which can be found on our website. The vocabulary for this lesson is electrical circuit, switch, wires, and power source. And now it's time to put all of the vocabulary words together to explain a circuit to your child. Inform your child that a circuit is the path that moves electricity. You can talk about the components of a circuit with the vocabulary words switch, wires, and power source. Let them know that there is one very important aspect to remember when making a circuit, and that is that it must be complete or it will not work. You can show them the different components on a lamp. Explain to them that a switch controls the flow of electricity or turns it on and off. And then the wires move the electricity to the plug and it takes it to the power source. After you explain this, have your child identify the parts of the lamp and point to them. And now that you have a basic understanding of circuits, it's time to jump into our activity. Have your child sort through the foam letters to find the letters in their name. If your child cannot already spell their name, you can write it down on a piece of paper and they can practice matching. Once you have all the letters, lay them out in order and it's time to build a circuit. Starting with your power source, you'll want to add the power source and then a wire and then each letter of your child's name. As you continue on, the last thing that you'll want to do is to connect the switch to your power source. Here are some questions you can ask your child to keep the conversation going while they're creating their name circuit. Once your child has completed their name circuit, ask them to explain how the components of the circuit work and what they're called. You can also complete this activity again with your name and have your child explain to you how to do the activity. This activity can be saved and you can glue or tape down on construction paper, or you can just pull out the bag and have them create a circuit again and again. This activity is easily extended for older children by swapping it and using vocabulary words instead of their name. We hope you've enjoyed this video. After your child creates a name circuit, show it to us on our Instagram. We also have a survey below that you can complete after you've done the activity with your child. We have one more activity from our It's Electric box that we'll have next week. We'll see you then. Bye!